Welcome back to the channel where art is our story. Today, we're bringing paint to life with a bold and shimmery layered pour that unfolds like a dream. What happens when metallic purple and pearl purple meets gold over a dark purple? It's not just a pour, it's a transformation in motion. This piece was born from curiosity. How would these rich colors dance together? I didn't know exactly what would happen, but I trusted the flow. Watch closely as the blow dryer guides the paint. Cells form, shimmer surfaces, and something unexpected begins to emerge. Cells are those beautiful organic bubbles of color that form when paint of different densities interact and rise to the surface. As the colors spread, notice those gorgeous little cells forming, tiny pockets of color that give the painting movement. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, stay creative and keep painting. Look at how this turned out. The combination of a dark purple and pearl purple colors brings such a drama and elegance. This is why we keep painting, not for perfection, but for moments like this.